Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwife. I just got out of the shower, so don't mind the wet hair. Anyways, well, look who's here.
Hi! Very excited to be here today.
Yes, and it's gorgeous outside. We don't even have the curtains open. We need to open the curtains.
Yes, it's dark in here.
Yeah. Well, it's because I just got out of the shower, so I didn't open the curtains yet.
I get it.
Anyways, let me do this so that we can both talk.
Okay.
So
I brought coffee.
yeah,
Actually, Ian bought me a coffee and bought us all Timbits. And Mr. Brody knows there's some in there for him.
and I was gonna say all includes Mr. Brody.
Yeah. Yes, he has seen the box and he has gotten excited.
Yep.
Yep.
He knows how to order his own going through the drive-thru.
Oh, that's cute.
So I went through my stash of wood pieces because, of course, Dorothy loves to paint. So I found a couple things, and I knew exactly what she was gonna pick, but I picked a couple things, and I said, I wondered if you wanted to do a birdhouse. I said that first, and then I went, or an owl. I already knew what she was picking.
I have a thing about birds.
I got this at least 2 or 3 years ago because it's only $3, and these wood pieces now are $4 or $5 there.
Oh
now.
my goodness.
Yeah. So Dorothy's gonna do that.
Very excited.
And a long time ago, I found this. It's a wood book, at a thrift store for 50 cents. And I've got some old music papers, so I'm gonna probably do that. Plus, I want to try that new card that I saw online.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see it? It was
I did.
pretty, right?
Very pretty.
And you said that you saw some stuff.
I brought stuff. Now, this is done with paint.
Yes. Isn't that gorgeous?
So I was thinking you just might want to do one of these or more.
Ooh. Yes. Now, I know these used to be for those,
This one I think I'm going to have to do.
oh, absolutely. That was my mom's favorite poem, eh? Yeah, but absolutely.
I've had these for years, I'll be honest.
Well, these were meant for those,
Tricam liquid embroidery.
yeah. My grandmother used to
I was
do
wondering
them.
if you'd be interested in something like that.
I will have to look that up. I'm going to read it.
Yeah. Oh, to have and to hold.
From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. Oh, that's gorgeous. And you've already started that one, it looks
I
as if.
did. Or my mom did, I don't know.
Yeah.
But you could use whatever paint.
Oh, yeah.
We've looked at that one. And this one is to make a Santa Claus.
Oh, yeah.
And
Yeah, my grandmother used to do this kind of painting. She didn't call it liquid embroidery. She called it something else. But it was the same thing. It was the tubes and, yeah.
to err is human.
To really foul things up, you need a computer. Oh, isn't that so true?
And I love how they make that computer look. It's really old-fashioned. You can tell I've had it a long time.
Oh, these
I don't
are
even know what
fun. Oh,
Father in heaven, hear my prayer. Keep me in thy loving care. Be my guide in all I do. Bless all things who love me too. All those who love me too. Yeah. Okay.
too.
That's fine. It's been sitting in my bin for... I was 15 when we started doing this. I asked Jesus, how much do you love me? This much, he answered, and he stretched out his arms and died. That would be a good one this time of year.
Beautiful.
And a good father always has his children get where help his children get where they want to go.
That's funny. Oh, that is so neat.
Back when daddies used to have white shirts.
Yep. Yeah, my grandmother used to let me use her embroidery paint.
Here's another baby one.
Oh. Oh. I love that one too.
Well, you can choose. I have had these for so many years, and I do have color suggestions. And then I have, I don't even know what this is.
It's like a black velvet type one. Hannah would love that one.
It's a deer.
Yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, we're spoiled today.
So, I brought these over, and I do have, you know, we can look through this and find the charts, and they kind of help give you an idea of what you should be doing. And
Oh yeah. We have our own imaginations too.
oh,
What's that say?
obviously, it says, "He who works with his hands is a laborer. He who works with his hands and his head is a craftsman. He who works with his hands and his head and his heart is an artist. He who works with his hands and his head and his heart and his feet is a salesman." I have no idea why that's in there, but yeah.
That's funny. All right, we're gonna go get some lunch, figure out what we're gonna do. You guys are just gonna come along with us for the day.
Yeah. And see, here's a color guide, so you know that
That's so
it
cute.
gives you an idea what colors you
Yeah.
might want to have it.
Yeah. Oh, that's neat. All right, we'll be back.
Yeah. So
Are you sitting on your
This is-
perch?
this is just nothing new, is it?
No.
Yeah, you like that perch.
See, well, I can
It's
see out
come
the
in handy for
window.
many things, right?
Brody, you're so funny. Yeah. And people commented on the video the other day about how you love Uncle Len.
That was so neat. I couldn't believe how many views you got.
Yeah. He loves his Uncle Len.
Oh, that was sure sweet.
Yeah.
Eh, that was so sweet. Yeah, you and him were having a little conversation.
You got the best humans, don't you, buddy? You got the best humans.
Yeah, Mocha, that little rascal, is definitely bigger.
Oh, yeah. And she's what, 8 months?
7.
7 months. And bigger than Mr. Brode. Say no.
Wait a minute, let me figure it out.
You're tapping on the table and he's like,
She's 8 months. What date is today? 13th?
yeah.
8 months exactly today.
Mm.
Yes, so she still has growing to do.
Do you remember being that little, buddy?
I remember when he was so tiny. I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember when you were a tiny baby. Yes, I do. And I said, "Oh, I don't think I want puppies. This is a lot of work." What have we had? 2 puppies. Hey, 2 puppies.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah, I call Molly our, what's the word? Because she was so good. She
Yeah.
never really got into anything.
Yeah.
She wouldn't poop where we wanted, but we dealt.
I know what you mean. Like, she gave you false.
False hope.
Yeah.
Yes. And then we had Mocha.
Yeah.
And Mocha has chewed
Everything.
a lot of things. Ian got himself new slippers because his slippers were in such bad state. They wouldn't stay on his feet because Mocha chewed them. And he's had to drag shoes and boots and stuff that you can't leave them upstairs.
Nope.
Oh, they have to be in the landing or they have to be in the bedrooms, any kind of toy or anything. Xander last night was hilarious. He was so wired. So hard for him to settle down, get his brains calm. And Mocha got in their room and she grabbed something. And so he went tearing down the hall, "Mocha!" Give it back!
You were never much of a chewer, were you, buddy? Just for a little bit.
Yeah, just for a little bit. We have the cords to prove it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just for a little bit. And then
we've been having, speaking of chewed, did I tell you about the day that I was home all alone and knew I was alone? And suddenly the TV turns on?
no.
Yes. I go to the living room and Miss Mocha's chewing on the remote. Like, how did that happen? Oh, okay. Our remote control is so chewed. We can no longer leave it on the coffee table. It is not safe.
That's funny.
But that was freaky.
No
'Cause
kidding.
I knew nobody was home. I was the
Well,
only
she
one.
wanted to watch TV and you didn't bother turning it on.
Apparently.
I'll show you how Dorothy's getting organized there.
I am attempting to draw an owl shape.
We'll show them the picture.
I'm also trying to somewhat geared off this picture, which is quite highly detailed. But I am not going to make it as detailed because I am not that good of an artist. But I can definitely see the potential here to make something really cute. There we go. And yeah, I'm liking that so far. And I like that eye. Now to do this eye.
I'm just waiting for the hot glue gun so that I can get at whatever I'm doing.
First I draw, because I have a blank slate here.
And I could use wood glue, but I'll just use this hot glue over.
Yeah, that's working. All right. I need to make the owl's eyes go. Okay. Haha, this is fun.
That is cute.
Yeah, it's starting to come together.
I wonder if we have a heart, big enough heart gem that you could use for the beak. Because the way that you've got it, I think that would be cute.
And these are very loosely meant.
But
lines.
wouldn't it be cute as if you had a gem?
Yeah, that would be pretty.
Yeah, and this is what I'm doing. I'm making a stand for my book. See me up there. Let me get you down here. I'm making a stand. And then go from there. I have no idea what I'm doing. Today is just a day that we just sit back and whatever happens, happens. So,
I want its wings to be puffy.
every project that I have tried to start has just not worked out for me today. So I am finally starting another one. And a paper craft at that. So
Can always do paper craft.
oh man. So I need 3 little Easter boxes for goodies. So that's what I've decided to do.
And I'm in the middle of...
Yes, let me show you.
Oh, I'm starting to color.
She's got lots of detail to do.
I do. It's going to be fun, though.
It is. It's almost like a paint by number without the numbers.
Well, yeah. That's exactly what it's turned into.
Yeah.
Hello, Brody. Yeah, you helped me so much to hold my paintbrush straight. Thank you. Thank you. He's under the table on my belly. Yeah, you're so much help. I don't know what I'd do without your help, bro. Yeah. Oh, such a pretty boy. Yeah. Oh, my girls are going to just be huffing and puffing when I get home today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they will. Yeah.
We see you over there, buddy.
Yeah. Hi. Well, the head is starting to take shape.
Look at how she's coming along. And, oh my gosh, guys, I am so enthused at the way what she's doing that I'm hardly getting anything done for me. But I'm just having too much fun.
Watching me fight with this thick paint.
Yeah, that one's not the best. That
But
that's
that's
one too.
okay. It was the perfect color I wanted.
Yeah.
And that way I don't have to mix it.
Did you try to water it down a bit?
I've watered it down a couple times.
Yeah. It's just an old tube, so.
Yeah, I watered it down a couple
Yeah.
times, and I'm probably going to have to do that again because I'm still fighting with it.
Yeah.
So, here we go.
And all I've gotten done is cut a bunch of papers and score them for a project that I want to do. Oh, but we're sitting here gabbing and stuff, and
Yeah.
it's just fun to watch her paint. So yeah.
I'm going to have a complex by the time I'm done.
And Brody gave up and went over on the back of the chair.
Oh, I think I might have got it this time.
Right, Brode? I'm just sitting over there on the chair. Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
So I thought about something. A while back, one of yous, I can't remember who was, asked me to show you how I make my little envelopes with my hole punch. I have two different envelope punches. This one is for mini envelopes, and then I have another one that makes like regular size envelopes and stuff. But I just grabbed this one. It all works the same. It's just the size difference. So I'm going to put you down here, and I'm going to show you how this is doing. So first of all, so you've got card size, paper size, and your score line. So like, you could have a 1x1 card. And then, so then it tells you what size of paper you need and where to score it. So, I'm not going to make it that small. So I'll make a 4x4. And I just grabbed some scrap paper. It's best to use the thinner paper, not the cardstock, because it'll crack. So it says for a 4x4, I will need a 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 paper. Okay. That over there. Then you've got your little scoring tool. And then it says 3 1/8 is for your score line. So you're going to put this edge of your paper at 3 1/8, which is right there. And there's a line there. I'm going to try and show you. So you can see how this is angled right here. So you line up your tool and you score it along that, this line right here. Okay. Then you punch. Then when you turn it, and this score line, so you only need your mark for the first one, because after that you line up your score line with this indicator right here. So I'm going to line up that, score, and punch. Turn it, line up, score, and punch. Turn it again, line it up, and then on the back side right here, you can put your corners and it rounds them. Okay, and then you just fold everything over, and I can probably get this glue open. Ouch. Hopefully it's not plugging up. Oh boy. I need to fill the bottle. There we go. You can use tape. I just had this handy, so. And then all you have to do is just seal it once you put your card in. And there's your envelope. I didn't hold that for it to... Yeah. They're a great little tool. You love making the mini envelopes, don't you?
I do. I don't know why. I just love them.
Yeah, yeah. So... And like I said, the bigger one, the only difference is that it makes bigger envelopes. So... There, now we got a 4x4 card envelope. Some old Christmas paper. Alright, you've got to see Dorothy's project. It is coming along so amazing. I've spent more time watching her than I've done anything for myself today. Let me show you.
It's coming. Slowly, slowly.
Just love it. It's gonna look so. It's gonna look so nice in your house. Like it's your colors.
Yep.
Yep. And then I have this piece. I'm just gonna paint it. It's nothing fancy, nothing. I'm just give me something to do. And stop watching her so much. I finally accomplished something today. Good Lord, I've tried. Let me just turn you down here. There we go. So I haven't glued the flowers on yet. I'm just about to do that, but I finally accomplished something.
And I'm slowly but surely working on Mr. Owl here.
Yep.
Well, she might be Miss Owl. I'm not sure yet.
As soon as I'm done here, I will turn this around and show you. We've convinced Len that he's got to come over for supper because Dorothy's not done her project.
I'm not, and I don't have these colors at home. He wasn't very impressed, but he'll get over it.
All right, there we go. Yes, the table is a disaster.
Yes, it is. Here we are, just painting away.
Look at that. Love, love, love.
It's coming together.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not quite sure why I'm using such a tiny brush.
Mr. Brody just can't wait for Daddy. He's getting anxious because we're not paying attention enough, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hang this. I gotta make a hanger of some sort. Just haven't got that far. So,
Yeah, that's important to have a hanger.
yeah. I think you did a big accomplishment.
I think so too. This was very relaxing today.
Let me turn you down and show you what she did, and then what I have to do now.
Bless her heart.
Look at that.
She won't let me use her glue gun.
Nope.
And I'm okay with that, actually.
I guess the whole bag, eh, Kelly?
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Glue stick.
Too late to change your mind now.
Whole bag of rice, by the way. In the middle?
Just, it cuts like into the white.
Yeah, right there.
This way. See how this one is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cool. It almost went to the right spot.
Look at that.
That is so cool.
All right, I have a ton of beads to put on here for her. I'll bring you back and show you the final result. We had a full day of crafting, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So these are our final things. I just did something simple today because everything I tried
It
didn't-
was not working well.
No. So I
Like, forget that one. We'll try something else. So I cannot take credit for gluing the little gems on.
only because I don't allow her to use the glue gun.
And that's fine with me.
Got gems here and here and here.
Oh, I know, Brody.
Yeah, so I think we should call this vlog Gone to the Birds.
Gone to the birds.
Oh, yeah.
Because my creativity went to the birds and yours went to the birds in a different direction.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
All right. Oh, that was fun. All right. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.